What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today I'm going to tell you how you can install Android 13 on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro with stock Android interface, which means you will get rid of all those MIUI bugs, crashes, lags that you experience every day on your smartphone. We are going to do this by flashing a custom ROM on your smartphone. This custom ROM is called Arrow OS and it is based on Android 13 AOSP, and this custom ROM comes with Google Apps pre-installed, so you don't have to look for compatible G apps to flash on this custom ROM. Now, to be very clear, it is of course a bit risky process since we are working with unlocked bootloader and custom recoveries, so you may need to have some experience flashing a custom ROM, or if you are doing this for the very first time, then please follow all the steps carefully so you don't have to end up with a brick device. Well, this custom ROM have a lot of features that you may like. Example, a clean stock Android interface, pixel exclusive features on your smartphone, better performance and battery endurance than MIUI ROMs, and many more. And since this is an initial build, some bugs has been reported, but these are some really small bugs and the fix is on the way. So the first thing that you need to do is unlock the bootloader of your Xiaomi smartphone. There is an article on supergeekweb.com that you can follow to unlock your smartphone's bootloader carefully. The link is in the description. You need to flash a custom recovery on your smartphone too, which is also provided in the same article. Now, once both of these things are done, installing a custom ROM is just a few steps away. And let's talk about how you do it. First, you need to download the custom ROM zip package from the link in the description and move the zip package to your smartphone's internal memory. Now, reboot your smartphone to recovery mode. To do that, all you have to do is turn off your smartphone completely and then boot it up by holding down the power key and the volume up key at the same time. Once you see the TWRP logo, just leave both of the keys and now you're in the TWRP recovery. Here, all you have to do is just tap on the white button and then swipe to confirm, then go back and tap on install button, choose the custom ROM zip package and again swipe to confirm. The installation will initialize and will flash the custom ROM automatically on your smartphone. And once it's all done, just tap on reboot system button and this will reboot your smartphone to Arrow OS. Soon you'll see a welcome screen on your smartphone and you're now ready to set up your device using your Google account. So that's how you can install Android 13 on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. And that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.